How many times you've been looking to your feed on Instagram, Facebook or something, and then you just realize there's such a nice product for a really low price? Yeah, this is a fucking scam. But if you don't try, you'll never know. Oh, 2 months ago, I was looking on my Instagram feed and I see a really nice device. It's handheld, all-in-one instrument and a MIDI controller. Man, it's really nice. Take a look at the video.
What if making music wasn't just for musicians? What if you could play any sound with a single touch? What if when you needed a break, the thing you reached for was an instrument? Take a moment.
Well, and finally, it arrived. I'm really like it's a mixed feeling, like such I feel excited and at the same time I'm fearing what I'm gonna find here. Let's see what we have here. Oh my god! Yeah, the weird thing. It's supposed to be a device, like shaped small, like this size. But I have something like 2 things here. So let's see what we got. I'm not looking. I have 2 things here. So 1, 2, 3. What the fuck? Music mini speaker. I think it's different than what I've ordered. It seems like it's this wow, this is maybe a Bluetooth speaker or something like this. Supported now working time speaker. My god, I think it's not even Bluetooth. Is it Bluetooth? Maybe. Yes, whoa, we have super nice. Oh my god.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth, yes, we do have Bluetooth. Oh my god, what a creepy thing. Oh, I have 2. Oh, what a shame on me. Yes, it was a fucking scam. I have nothing good to do with this because I can't even like plug an audio jack here and make like try to use it as a speaker. Let's see how does it work. Like for $25, I think it's freaking expensive. So it wasn't really a good deal. I'll try to contact the dealer. I know they're not answering me probably. And well, is this never buy like a really nice thing with a huge discount because it's gonna be probably a scam. Unfortunately, all I can show the review for the product I was supposed to show here is to show you one of the videos you have seen. Like for next time, go to the Kickstarter, help people to build their things, and yeah, don't do like me. I'm really sad. I would be really happy with that device, but this is what I got. Okay, let me show the really high quality of this Bluetooth mini speaker. It's also cute, like we have this flashing light, it's interesting. No, it's nothing interesting, it's just really ridiculous. But let's see how it works. I'm gonna start with really low volume and play some music. Let's play. Seems bad. It seems worse. It's like it's pretty annoying, like it's prefer my laptop speakers, I think it's better. Pretty distorted. Nice smooth volume.